Hello ladies and germs, it's Charlie with Mountain Man Digital, back again to hit you with some serious information, some compelling data that's going to change your life. Maybe not change your life, but you're going to really like it. The number one piece of content that every last one of you guys need on your website if you want to succeed. Okay, so if you're going to strip away everything and just keep one item of special content that you write, what you want to make is a frequently asked questions page. I don't have one of these. So what we need to do is make a frequently asked questions page, or as the internet likes to call it, an FAQ. Okay, frequently asked questions. Okay, this is one of the most important things you can make for your website, and let me tell you why. When you're looking for new customers, they have questions. Those questions are frequently asked. I don't really know what else I have to say about this. Also, if we search for, let's say, logger near me, I don't know, tree removal, let's change this. Tree removal near me, okay? And we scroll down, you get this, okay? Can you negotiate tree removal? What's the average cost to take down a tree? How can I get rid of trees for free? Okay, these are frequently asked questions according to the internet. So let's say you have like 3 questions that people always ask you. You want to add a few more. You just go Google your service near me, and you're going to get the most commonly asked questions for your area. Okay? And this is also why it's important, because if we look here, these are actually showing up as different websites. Okay? This isn't like Google.com's answer. These are different websites' answers. Okay? So you can answer those questions and get more site traffic. All right, so for instance, what I'm going to do here is just throw down some questions that I commonly have and tell you guys what the answers are to get you a feel. Do you lease your websites? Okay, so that's a common one I get. Answer's no. We don't lease websites. We sell them to you like a deck on your house. You own them. Okay, it's a website for your business. You own it. You can take it to another host. You can do whatever you want with the code. It is yours. Okay? How much does hosting cost? What does it include? Okay, also a common question I get, $100 a month, capital 100 a month, or $1,000 a year. Okay, and this includes hosting, maintenance of domain registration, and SSL, that nice HTTPS that you get on your site so that folks don't get blocked from going to it when they're on their phones. You get HIPAA compliance if you're a medical professional. You also get updated contact forms and an email server. Okay, so you get a whole bunch for $100 a year. Also, we will develop pages for you. So if you need a new contact page, you have a blog you want to start, etc., you got a blog you want to upload, we handle all of that for you for the low price of $100 a month. I'm losing my breath here. Another common question that I have folks ask me, how do you develop sites? Okay, so we develop sites on WordPress, and one of the first things we'll do for you is build what's called the client portal. It's a place where you can log in while the site's being developed, see what's happening there. There's questionnaires and answers that you can fill in to give us a great idea of exactly what you want from your website. You'll also see in there a list of other sites we've built, example templates that we can use, although we can custom develop for you for no extra cost anything that you'd like. You'll also see in there the site being developed. You'll be able to watch us build it as we go through, and all that exists on the client portal. We do use the WordPress platform, but we will completely build the site on the WordPress platform at your client portal before we bring it live. Then we flip the switch, bring it live to your current domain, and do all of the correct wrench turns in the background to complete what's called a 301 redirect, which makes sure that if you are showing up for like tree removal near me or something, you do not lose that page rank. Okay, so that's another common question I get asked. How much does it cost? We have programs that start at $1,000, moving on up from there. All of them have the same overarching goal of making sure that you're following all of Google's rules for your website. You know exactly what type of content you want to make. and you have a plan on how to make it, and you're seeing real results in weeks, not months. And that starts at $1,000, and it goes up from there depending upon what your needs and goals are. Okay? What makes you different? So what makes us different than many other web developers that you guys have worked with is the primary function of our company is to give you a platform through which your voice can be heard that is other than social media. Okay? And more importantly, if your website's built correctly, it will get you more traffic than social media, and it will make you more money than social media. And so I show you how to create a content strategy on your website that we build that will get you more business month over month than any amount of money that you can spend on Facebook ads. Okay, that is our differentiator. So just wanted to show you guys the #1 piece of content you can make, and you can watch me slap together a bunch of questions real quick. I'm going to get to writing this. Hopefully it'll be up by the end of the week. But this is the #1 piece of content you need on your site to make it succeed. Bad Charlie for not having one. But if you found this video useful, give it a like. Be sure to share it with any other business owners that you think might find it useful, and I will see you in the next one.